now set aside the seafood, and now we're gonna saute our vegetables. Onions in, some leeks, garlic, so now I'm adding some sweet bell peppers and some cherry tomatoes. Awesome. Got here a mix of salt and pepper from Japan. So heat that up. So right now I'm gonna add all my vegetables. It's actually your preference, but for me I want carrots, some long beans, and some courgettes. So you have to equally cut your vegetables. Right now I'm just adding a little bit of cooking wine. And now I'm adding some soy sauce and fish sauce. Be careful with the fish sauce because it's really quite salty. So to the mix. So now I'm adding my Tom Yam paste. You can buy it in any Asian store or any supermarkets. So I'm gonna add some 2 tablespoons. What I'm going to do right now is set aside my vegetables because my pan is like quite small for a big portion of fried rice. So set aside that, and don't wipe your pan. Actually, just add on your rice. Oh, it's heavy. So probably half the rice. So from here, just add generously with your meats. So add some juices because that's where the flavor is. A bit more. And of course your vegetables. So always taste your food before serving. So just kind of. For me, it needs a bit more of soy sauce or fish sauce. So I'm just gonna splash a little bit more of fish sauce. So the thing about the Tom Yam paste is quite a bit spicy and sour. So what you're gonna do is at the end of the, or before you eat it, just splash a squeeze of lemon. Right, this is done. Tom Yam fried rice. To finish that, I'll add some spring onions and some crispy shallots.